Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's Find of the Week. And I wanted to show you this cute idea. First of all, we have these little galvanized metal, antique vintage style buckets. And you can see here that they've got a design on the front. But what I wanted to show you too was my wall that it's kind of like a privacy wall that I had done. And I hung these up. I bought these to hang, but I took two antique doors. Let's see if you can see it. Let me go out this way a little better. Two antique doors with the paint chipping off and that kind of thing. You can see the really cool antique handles and the little locks. And I wanted it to be like a privacy screen. And let's see if I can get far enough away so you can see it. And there you can kind of get a better idea of what I did. Like a privacy screen there. And then I've got my flowers down below. But you can hang these. They look really cool. Hung. And I'm going to run my sprinkler tubing around the top to water the flowers. I just put those geraniums in there to give you an idea. But you can see that I put these doors together and then I use those hanging baskets. They're just quite charming, I think. They're super cute. There you can see them a little better. There you can see our little shipping manager. He's on guard. That kind of gives you an idea, and that's our find of the week. These little galvanized buckets are on our website at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques. And be sure and go over and give us a like on Facebook.